Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be working on Google Cloud, GCP, and I'm going to be creating a Linux virtual machine in Compute Engine. And after creating my virtual machine, I'm going to be logging into the virtual machine. And when I log in, I'm going to be installing Apache web server on the virtual machine. And afterwards, we'll just create and view a simple website where we're going to be creating Hello World. And when you come to this navigation menu, you will see all of the services within GCP that you can use. And what I'm interested in is the compute engine. So I can click on the compute engine to open up the window. So I can click on the VM instances and I can see all of the instances that I've already created. And I can go on to create a new one, and I'm just going to say create instance. If I could go back here and explain something real quick, if this is the first time you're using the VM instances, it's going to ask you to enable the API, and you're going to have a different environment from what I have. So just go on to enable the API and it's going to bring you to this place. Let me click on create instance. Let me just give this a name and call it my VM instance. And I'm just going to leave this region to the default, and the zone as well. I'm going to be choosing this. So it aligns with what my region is. I'm going to leave it to the default here, the E2 one, and I think everything here is fine. I'll go to my OS and storage, click on change. I love it. The operating system, I want to use the Debian operating system, and I'm going to leave it to the default. I'll come to this boot disk type, and I'm going to use SSD persistent disk, and everything looks fine. Yeah, I will just click on select. The next, I could come to data protection. It's going to ask me for backup. This is just a machine I'm going to be deleting anyways, so I could just choose no backups. And I could go to the networking. In the networking, I want to allow HTTP traffic. Just click on this to allow that. Essentially, I'm going to leave everything as is because this should allow me to do what I want to do. I'll click on create. It's going to take a while for it to provision my virtual machine instance, so I'm just going to wait a while. So my virtual machine has been provisioned, and if you look at the status here, you can see that is the only one that is active. Every other one is inactive. And you can see the external IP, what it is, and you can see the SSH. I'm going to click on the SSH, and it's going to take me to my terminal. And it asks me to allow SSH in browser to connect to my VM. I click on authorize. So this command window means that I am connected to my virtual machine. The next thing I'm going to do is to update the package list in my machine. And I'm just going to do that. With this, I'm going to say apt-get update to update the package list. And if I click on enter, it tells me that has been completed. Because I want to do a simple website that is going to print Hello World, I'm going to be installing Apache 2 HTTP Server in my virtual machine. And I'm just doing apt-get install Apache 2 PHP 7.0. I click on enter. And it asks me, do you want to continue? And I'm just going to click on Y, click on enter. So my Apache 2 has been installed in my virtual machine. And if I click on my external IP, it gives me the default Apache Debian page, and this is what the page looks like. I can override this page and to print my Hello World. And to do that, I can just go back to my terminal here, and I can paste this. It's a HTML script that essentially just helps me write Hello World. And if I should run this, and I come back to my web page and just refresh this quickly, I see Hello World printed here. Well, at this point, you are not flexible to do whatever you want to do in this page. You can go on to deploy your app, your website into the server because it's now live and running. I'm going to be doing a little modification to the Hello World. Print it to kind of look a bit better. And I've written the script I'm going to be pasting here. And I'll quickly go back to my terminal. And on my terminal, I'm going to be overwriting this with a script that I've written here. And I'm just going to click on enter, just pasted the script. And when I click on enter, I come back to my web page, and if I should refresh, It brings this out for me. Hello from Google Cloud. You have successfully deployed a Linux VM and updated your web server HTML. Everything is running smooth. If I click this, it tells me great job, setup is complete. Well, guys, that's how you provision your virtual machine and set up your web server. And hope you found this video useful. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed it, and to encourage me to do more of this and enable others to see this video as well. And I'm going to be seeing the next one. Thank you. Bye for now.